Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture we are going to take a look at the scale tool and shear tool. Yes friend. So for that let's click on this rectangle tool. Let's create a rectangle. Let's provide a fill color and now select this scale tool. By clicking on it you will see that the key point is at the center now. Now you can change the key point by dragging it anywhere, and you can scale it. For this purpose actually this is used. Oh my god, it has become really big. The requested transformation would make some objects too large. Oh my god, it's really huge, really huge. So yeah, this is how you can use the scale tool, but generally for scaling we will use that bounding box only. So if you want to scale something, I recommend that you select that object using the selection tool and then you can scale it. And for scaling, make sure to hold the shift key to increase or decrease its size proportionally. Yes friend. So yeah, this is what scale tool does. Again, let's just try to work with it. Yeah, okay. So this is how it works. So click and drag. Oh my god, what has happened? Yeah, generally you will have no control only over the object. Okay, next we have the shear tool. For that, let's create another rectangle. Oh my god. Okay, so let's select the shear tool, and how it works is, again, this is the key point. You can even change this key point. Say let's make it here, and now again just click and drag. You are getting the concept, right? That how we can use these. See, in the icon only it is saying that how it works. So yeah, you can use it in some ribbon cases also. I mean, you have created some banner and then you are providing some shear effect to it using this shear tool. Okay. So yeah, this is the use of this scale tool and shear tool. So in this lecture we have seen how we can use this scale tool and shear tool. We have already covered this width tool, and we have some other tools also that we will see in our next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.